Hello, we are doing installation of horizontal wide uh, Stovematic on this chula. We need four things: the device with battery, the adapters, the knob, and the scale. Let's see how to go about it. First, remove the knob, just pull it out. If you can't pull it out with the hand, you can use a screwdriver, it's easy to pull it out. Now you need to check which adapter will fit in this. You have to see which side is the edge. Now this seems to be fitting. You want to check which one is which. Like this goes in. So the first adapter you need to put is black because it's mentioned black color. If this was the hole which was fitting in, it's not fitting. So otherwise you would have used blue or yellow likewise. So we need to use the black one right now. So the black one is fitting, it is moving, it is fine. Now this is a scale. You need to check if the length, the height of the adapter is coming between the green area. It is not coming in the green area. So now you can use any adapter, any one adapter to increase the. Let's see, now is it coming in the green area? So we have checked that this is coming within the green area. Now the adapters are fine. You need to install the knob. Here is the knob. Off position, on position. Now this will go like this. You need to ensure that the ridge on the knob matches with the groove inside the motor. So it's coming like this. So groove has to come on the top. You can remove this. This goes away. This goes away. The ridge is matching with the groove inside, which is very important. Only then it can fit in. Now it goes in. Now it is well stuck. Just push it hard so that it is well stuck. That's it. The system is installed. As you can see, as soon as somebody turns on the knob, it's going to take 15 minutes to switch off the knob. You can reduce the time. It's 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, this will switch off automatically. Okay. Now 5 minutes ago we had set this. Now we're testing this. 5 minutes will happen. Now look, the knob will turn on itself after 1 minute of warning. It's going to turn off. Please keep notice on this. So now the gas is off and you are safe.